wasted.
Inclusive education is something that continues to exist only on record, as the beneficiaries are being denied the advantages as mandated by the state government, said Jitendra Dakhar, Managing Director, Blindly Trust. While speaking to the media after the celebration of World Braille Day at National Institute of Technology, Meghalaya, here on Thursday, he said that the term inclusive education only remains in the papers since none of the institutions are actually implementing it. He urged the state government to establish protocols mandating educational institutions to enroll visually impaired students. According to him, these institutions should employ teachers professionally trained in using Braille to instruct visually impaired students.
This is a way to celebrate diversity.
A lot of us had not been sensitized or aware that even in our place, in our capital city, we do have this platform or medium where we can do intervention through the government with the support of the ministry on reaching out especially to our friends and our family members who are visually impaired.
And now